Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the unusual activity detected. Try another network connection error on ElevenLabs. This problem usually happens when your IP address gets flagged or there's a small network issue. But don't worry, it's easy to fix. First, try switching to another internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, disconnect and connect to a different one. If there's no other Wi-Fi available, you can use your mobile data. Just turn on your phone's mobile hotspot, connect your computer to it, and then try using ElevenLabs again. Changing the network changes your IP address, and that often solves the problem right away. If that doesn't work, clear your browsers, cache and cookies. Sometimes corrupted files in your browser can cause this issue. To do that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Then clear your cache and cookies. After that, reload ElevenLabs and see if it works. If it still doesn't, try a different web browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Edge, Firefox, or another one. If ElevenLabs works there, it means your original browser needs a reset. Another fix that often helps is using or disabling a VPN. A VPN changes your IP address and can bypass restrictions causing the error. You can download a free VPN, like Proton VPN, turn it on, and select a different location before opening ElevenLabs again. If you're already using a VPN, try turning it off, because sometimes certain VPN IPs are blocked. After trying these simple tricks, the error should be gone and ElevenLabs will start working normally again. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.